have reached Langkawi airport and now we are waiting for the immigration. Such a long queue. So finally we checked into our property. Behind the White House that you see is the whole property. So 5 of us will be staying in this property for like 2 days. And the yellow car that you see, so we rented this car.
It's very beautiful. There's a cool breeze while it's cloudy, but then again you don't feel the dampness in the air and there's no humidity as such.
Come to Eagle Square. It's also called Dataran Lang. It's a huge sculpture of eagle. I'll show you now. Morning. So it's a day 2 and we are all ready, all set to go to Sky Bridge. So people are having breakfast. Everyone, say hi to my vlog.
Hey, hi. Hello.
So to go to Sky Bridge, you need to come to Oriental Village from the town, and from Oriental Village you need to buy a ticket of Sky Cab, which is basically a cable car which takes you to the Sky Bridge. And once you reach at that zone, you need to buy a ticket for Sky Bridge, which is separate from the one that you have bought for Sky Cab. So at the Oriental Village, you've got a lot of options like Kids Zone. You can also watch 3D movies. But the most iconic thing is Sky Bridge. Hey Ma, क्या हुआ?
ये दरवाजा कब लगेगा?
हमारा ग्लास बॉटम नहीं है।
नहीं है, दरवाजा कैसा लगता है? अपना नाम से डोंट वरी अबाउट इट।
क्या पता है? अरे गजब ऊपर चलता है बे। Bridge. Now we are heading back to the town. It's quite hot, as you can see. It's bright sunny day. It wasn't hot up there, but once you come down you will feel the heat. Alright guys, how are you guys feeling inside the car?
Too tired. It is boiling us.
It's a furnace now. Maybe we head towards a beach because this is what we had planned in the morning.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
So our trip comes to an end here. It's already 11:30 in the night and tomorrow we have to catch flight at 8:40, so probably we need to leave this place by 6. So in the whole video you didn't see Sayon at all. That's because he couldn't join us. He had to apply for Schengen visa. So we missed him so much. All of us missed him so much. But anyway, Langkawi is a place that I would like to come again, and this time I'll be bringing Shan for sure. I would like to end the vlog here. Do like, comment and share if you like our videos. Do subscribe and don't hesitate to put any comments. If there is anything that we can improve, we'll surely take your comments into consideration. So yeah, see you pretty soon. Till then, bye bye.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. I just